Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, features, and launch dates would be also posted. So please make sure that you do a screenshot and check with your CAs for availability and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you guys to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton launching February 2024 Part 3. Prices, features, SKUs, and launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with this very beautiful Capucine Mini from the Sahara Blue Celeste Exotic Collection. So, first one, price is 26,300 euro. Guys, kindly take note that this material is croc leather in the Sahara Blue colorway. It comes with detachable leather strap and it comes with silver hardware. This collection is launching February 1st, 2024. Then we have this very beautiful Petite Mal Capital. Price is 32,700 euro. In the same material and colorway, what I am loving about this Petite Mal is it comes with a top handle and comes with detachable strap as well. Then we have the zippy wallet. For the price of this one, kindly stand by, but we do have the SKU. Guys, the Blue Celeste or the Sahara Blue Celeste is like the Himalayan croc of Hermes. That's why this is a little bit expensive. I believe it's very difficult to have this colorway for this material. Then we have the very beautiful City Steamer size mini. Price is 28,600 euro. Same material of the croc leather in the Sahara Blue Celeste. So it is a two-top handle bag. It comes with silver padlock with clochette. How are you liking it so far, guys? Then we have another material. So first we have Capucines Mini. So this one, a little bit more affordable. Price is 7,000 euro. We have SKU here. The material of this one is the ostrich leather in the Eau de Rose colorway. Sizes mini, comes with detachable straps, still launching February 1st, 2024. Then we have this very beautiful style Rose de Vence size mini, same price of 7,000 euro. The reason why this is a little bit more affordable because the first one is made of croc leather. So again, this is made of ostrich leather. I love the closure of this bag. It reminds me of Kelly. Then we have the City Steamer Mini. Price is 7,500 euro. Guys, how are you liking this style so far? So they are bringing it back in the exotic leather finish. This style initially was launched when Nicola Ghesquiere was tapped as the creative director of LV after Marc Jacobs. Then we have Capucines Mini. So this is the Love Lock collection launching February 2nd, 2024. This one, the price is 5,500 euro. The one that I'm really drawn to with this Capucines Mini is the chain strap that it comes with. As you are seeing, it's beautifully intricated with flowers and LV monogram detail. It comes in this jade colorway as well. So as you can see, guys, how cute are the bag charms with the chains that it comes with. It comes with an adjustable and fully leather strap. So this is a very beautiful colorway as well. So we are also going to see it comes with gold hardware and the LV is in enamel. It comes in the color noir as well. This one, guys, I am responding really well because just look how the bag charms are standing out amongst the very beautiful noir or black calfskin leather. It still comes with fully detachable leather strap. It is a single top handle bag with 2 compartments inside. Then we have a card holder. This one, guys, launching February 2nd, 2024. The price of this one is 420 USD, euro rather. So this is now part of the permanent collection. And what's new about this one is you're going to see that the zipper poke comes with the LV bag charms, the LV flower, and the LV logo. It would come in the color noir. The material of both is the very beautiful ampant leather. As you can see, guys, the yellow gold hardware really stands out and really a direct complement to the black ampant leather. Which one are you choosing? Me, definitely for hard wearing, I would be choosing a black SLG. Then we have the next collection. We have the Mahina Reverse collection, which would also be launching February 2nd, 2024. First, we have the zippy wallet. The price is 1,140 euro. So this is a long zip wallet with multiple card slots and zip compartment on the inside. Then we have the Cleo wallet. Price is 810 euro. We have SKU here. This is a compact wallet style with, so it has a zipper closure, but on the inside it would have card slot and zip compartment as well. Please take note that the launch date of the Mahina Reverse collection is February 2nd, 2024. Then we have the Iris wallet. So it is another compact wallet style. The price of this one is 870. So this one I think I like better compared to the zipper wallet one because it would be easier to just open and close. So this is the close-up of the Mahina Reverse. So guys, what do you think of this collection so far? Kindly comment down below. Then we have the Hand It All PM, still part of the Mahina Reverse collection. The colorway of this one is the Galley. Price is 3,500 euros. So this is like a new style of LV. This is the first time that I'm seeing it. It's like a cosmetic bag, but it comes with a 2 strap, so leather strap and a chain strap. What do you think? It also comes with a bag tag. So this is the cream colorway. Guys, are you seeing now what I'm seeing? That it looks like a slouchy cosmetic bag, but it looks good as well. So I love the thick leather strap. I love the chain strap that it comes with. Actually, I am also responding to the slouchiness of this Hand It All bag. Another new addition to the Lock Me family. So we have the Lock and Walk. Price is 2,500 euro. The launch date is February 2nd, 2024. So this is a bucket bag style. The color is cognac. As you can see, it's just fully open with magnetic lock closure. It comes with leather strap and chain strap and the LV lock closure. I love this noir colorway as well. Just look at how beautiful the black and gold combination is. I think there is no other combination better than this in my opinion. So as you can see, huge opening, sizes PM. Again, if you're going to carry this, you might just need to be a little bit more careful with security because it doesn't have any zipper. Now going back to the exotic collection. So this is from the menswear. First, we have the KEEPALL 50. Guys, please take note that the next bags that we are going to discuss would be launching early January 2024. So this one, the KEEPALL 50, stand by for the price. The material is ostrich. The size is 50 centimeters. Next, we have the KEEPALL 25. Once I have the price, I will be putting on our community wall. The size is 25 centimeters across. I love the silver hardware. I love the bag tag that it comes with as well. Actually, I'm thinking, guys, which is better? Would it be the Speedy 20 from the women's wear or the KEEPALL 25 from the menswear? Kindly comment down below if you have both. Then we have the steamer wallet. The color is like in the rouge or red. It comes with a detachable leather strap and it comes in this very beautiful silver hardware. So I'm not really sure of the closure of this one, but as you can see on the inside, it's really spacious. But guys, please take note that this size of this one is like a wallet on chain. Now let us check out the SLGs on this collection. First, we have the multiple wallet. Price is 1,640 USD, a little bit expensive. And then we have the pocket organizer on this collection for 1,060 USD. Then we have the Nano Steamer on the Monogram Trillion collection. Launch date is January 18th, 2024. The price of this one is 2,200 euro. Everything is white, including the hardware. Then we have the Braza wallet for 855 euro. Guys, did I mention that the launch date is January 18, 2024? So this is a long wallet style with many card slots on the inside. Next, on the Monogram Trillion collection, we have the Christopher MM. Price is 3,900 euro. So the main material is the very beautiful and soft Ampant leathers. As you can see, this is a drawstring style backpack with multiple pockets. Then it would also come in the Horizon 55. Price is 3,900 euro. So this is a rolling luggage style. So as you can see, very spacious. The size of this one is 55 centimeters. Color is forest green. Last but not the least on today's topic, it would be S-Lock size Pico. Price is 1,600 euro. Everything would be white. It is a top handle small messenger bag, including the S-Lock and hardware are all white. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, please do leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, among the many beautiful bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any personal favorite? Are you adding anything to your wish list? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!